So hi guys, I'm baking. What I'm baking, I don't know. So I'm gonna bake. I have new recipe. It's called monkey bread. So I'm gonna show you what's the ingredients. The ingredients is like this: 3 cups of all-purpose flours, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt. So kuha ka dito ng salt, and powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cream tartar. So this is the cream tartar, guys. 3/4 cold butter. So this is cold butter, guys. 3/4. 1 egg. So just 1 egg, guys. 1 cup whole milk. So this is all the ingredients, guys. So let's mix it. 3/4 cup of flour. And I think lahat ng mga sa salt and the sugar, the baking powder, and the milk. Pour all the milk. Iabo lahat ng ano. Tsaka ito, one whole egg. And let's mix it. So the butter, you need to small, or you can melt it if you want. But cut lang, guys, kasi it's ready. It's almost melted. Yan lang. Okay, so we're gonna mix like that until it's gonna be mix everything, guys. Ganyan lang. So the name of this recipe is monkey bread. Monkey? Did you hear monkey bread, guys? This is my first time too, monkey bread. Ewan ko anong klaseng bread to na baging. Ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng monkey bread, guys. So let's watch. Mix until it's gonna be mixed. So it's time for using your hands. Malinis na yung hands ko, guys. Hindi talaga sumuna. It's done for the dough, and we're gonna and then spray for this is the yung pang ano, guys, you know, and we put banana and the chocolate chips. Yes, banana, ito yung palaman. Ito yung filling. Tapos ito yung ano na, ready to, this is for mold. This is banana. Some banana here. The sliced banana. And the molder. This is the molder. Gaano kadami, guys? Ganyan lang. Yan. Ganyan. So I think like that. That's the one. Small like that. Like that. And that one. Ganyan lang, guys. Small. First time, so that's why Bakikaw lang guys, bakikaw. Hindi siya nabuo masyado. You can make circle like that. Lahat isi-circle mo lang, ganun. Hindi ito pangbenta kaya hindi magkapariha yung size. Just for the try. And like that. Repeat and repeat until it's gonna be done. I'm not a baker guys, so flat like that. Flat like that guys. Flat. And then you can put how many? Again. Just like that. And then close. Parang gumawa kayo ng siomai guys. I-close mo lang. O parang gumawa kayo ng pandesal or na may laman sa loob. No need to be perfect because i-close mo naman lang yan. Lang, para kayong naglalaro ng to you if you want more. Sinong kuha nito, swerte. Yan lang. Okay, and then repeat lang guys until matapos.
The monkey bread.
This is the dust. So it's our first
So we have to cook the glaze.
Okay, you're gonna roll down in the sugar and
You need to take
cinnamon
the bananas, hold on, and lay them across the bottom.
as so this is the first layer, and then you're gonna put glaze on it, and then the next one is like this. So
A lot, like that.
chocolate chip.
Is that enough?
down first so that the
Hey Siri, set it.
so the monkey bread,
Where's your spoons?
but
Spoons.
it's thick. It's thick for this one, but it's really good. So let's start it. So testing. Thank you for watching.